Good day everyone, Omar here, and in this video guys we'll have a look at PDMovie Live Air 2 wireless focus puller. Live Air 2 is remarkably compact and handy. I never thought I would use a focus puller system that small and can run up to 8 hours. This unit was sent to me to review here on the channel, and as usual my reviews are fully independent. We'll go through the pros and cons and we'll let you know if this system worth your money. This is Omar and let's get started. As I mentioned, the system is very handy. It took me only 2 minutes to set it up and to make it work. However, the focus motor doesn't work wirelessly on its own if the motor is not calibrated and not attached to the lens. In other words, you cannot test the wireless focus puller if the motor is not attached to the camera. It needs to be calibrated first. Now the setup is very simple. First, fix the focus band on your lens. In the package I received 2 of them. Guys, we need pitch gearing on non-cinema lenses in order to help the focus motor to stick and control the lens focus ring. The cold shoe rod adapter make the system work on any camera and any camera cage. Now I got the rod and focus motor fixed on the camera, and with a few adjustments the system is almost ready to use. By the way, the focus motor turns on immediately when the battery is attached. There is no on-off switch button, while the focus controller features a power button. We get 2 batteries for the focus motor and 1 battery for the wireless controller. We should calibrate the system by holding the calibrate button for 2 seconds. It will go from left to right and return backward to learn the lens focus limit. Alright, we're ready. Let's turn the wireless controller on. See, with a single twist, we have control on the focus ring. Another feature I like in the wireless controller is we can attach it whether on a camera cage or any stand or pole, and even on your tripod. So the system is accessible via smartphone. The app can control the focus distance like wireless controller and can set 2 points A and B. Also, this feature is beneficial. At the time of this video, the smartphone app is not accurate all the time. I hope PDMovie fixed this in a future update. So this is my setup. PDMovie Air 2, Sony A7 III 35mm, and Mars 400S Pro wireless video transmitter to check the monitor. And I'm going to walk from this point and check how far I can get or I can reach with the PDMovie wireless video transmitter. I'm about 50 meters away from the camera, and I still have connection in line of sight. Now at 100 meters, 330 feet, this guy is still working. 100 meters is the transmission range mentioned by PDMovie. At this distance, 200 meters, 660 feet, we still have connection, but the system is not functional. There is a remarkable delay, and this is not a healthy distance for focus pulling. And between obstacles like bushes and a few trees, it worked to about 70 meters, 230 feet. This system is solid, budget-friendly, and functional. It does the job, and I like it. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope you find this video helpful. Thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more camera gear reviews. This was Omar, and see you in another one.